guys, welcome back. So I know a lot of you guys have seen this Pockethole machine. I made this a few years ago, and you know, I put up quite a few videos on it, and the thing works just incredible. You know, I've got pretty near 5,000 on my counter since I put it on, and I've already reset it at 2,000. There's 7,000. That's just been in a couple of months, and I've had this, I think it's a little over 3 years now, and I've built just a pile of kitchens, and every kitchen's just full of Pocketholes. So, but this machine, as good as it does work, it has one major flaw in it. And if you guys haven't seen this machine before, there's other videos. What it does is it takes a regular regular Craig jig, and I just made this cabinet and a few levers so that when I push down on my foot paddle, the first little part of the push will close the clamp, and then the rest of it will drill the hole. So it makes it automatic, and it doesn't use any air or hydraulics or anything. All it is just this simple foot paddle, and it's real easy to use. But like I said, the major flaw with this machine is its size. I know that most of you guys out there don't have a great big shop like I do. You just have a little small space to work in, and I know a lot of you guys are using Pockethole jigs. But the big thing is that you don't have space for a machine like this. So what I'm going to do in my next few videos, or in the near future, I'm going to work on it. Is I'm going to make a smaller version of a Pockethole machine. Something that's just going to be able to sit up on a bench. It's not going to be a foot operated or a floor model version like this, because I know you guys don't have room. And when I built this machine, I didn't build it for size. I built it to be comfortable to use, and that's what this is. This is a very comfortable machine to use. I get both hands on my material, and I can drill with my foot, which is way easier. I can put a lot more pressure with my foot. So I sometimes drill, you know, I've seen me drill 700-800 holes in, you know, seems like about 15 or 20 minutes with this thing. And, you know, I'm not tired at all, whereas before when I was using it by hand and drilling by hand, I hated drilling pocket holes. Now it kind of made it so it's fun. So that's what I plan on doing. Just thought I'd shoot you guys a video to let you know what I plan on doing. And I guess the thing I want to know too is, what kind of Craig jigs do you guys have, or if you have a Craig jig, or do you even use Pocketholes? You know, so do you have an older one like this with the handle out back, or do you guys have the front, the newer ones with the handle out front, or do you even have a Pockethole jig and use Pocketholes? And you guys can let me know in the comment section below, and then that'll give me some insight on how I should design the machine. Do I want to design it with just, you know, that most of you guys don't have Pockethole jigs, so all I got to do is, I'm going to start right from scratch. I can just get one of the little Craig minis. Craig sells just a single hole guide with a drill bit. I think it's 20 bucks, and then it would just take a little bit of wood and a few screws and maybe a couple of springs, and we should be able to make a simple little Pockethole machine that sits up on a bench and is able to drill pocket holes real fast, and it'll make it real fun too. So hopefully you guys had fun watching. Hopefully you guys will leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see, and we'll see you next time.